Good morning. Let me tell you the dilemma of the orange. Two sisters were fighting over an orange, and each sister insisted that she needed the entire orange and would not settle. Their mother, tired of bickering, decided to step in. She asked each sister why she needed the orange. The first sister said, I needed the orange because I am very thirsty and want to drink its juice. The second sister said, I need the orange because I need the zest of its peel to bake a cake. Realizing that the two sisters had different reasons for wanting the orange, the mother came up with a solution. She carefully peeled the orange, giving the zest for the second sister for her cake, and handed the peeled orange to the first sister so she could have the juice. Both sisters were happy and the conflict was resolved. The mother insights into true need of each daughter allowed her to find a solution that satisfied both of them. The moral lesson of this story is that people have to find a win-win situation where they dig deep into the true interest of each one of the parties and addressing the underlying interest of each one of the parties to resolve the conflict and simply divide the sources. This is an example of integrative negotiation strategy. Have a wonderful day.